Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone 13 Pro Max widescreen of death. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to force reboot your iPhone. So to do that, you can just simply press and quickly release the volume up button on your iOS device, and then next quickly release the volume down button on your iPhone. Then press the side button while doing it, and nevertheless, you can release the button when the Apple logo appears on your iPhone. And then next, what you can do is to charge your iPhone. So have you checked if your iPhone is fully charged? So taking the time to check your iPhone's battery before you panic might seem obvious, but don't just panic. You will usually see an empty icon on the uncharged iPhone when you attempt to interact with it. However, the screen may be completely black if the battery has been fully discharged. So, plugging your iPhone into an outlet and letting it charge for a few hours is always a good idea. And Apple should display its charging icon after a short period if a lack of power causes the iPhone 13 series to have a white screen. Then next, what you can do is uninstall any glitchy apps. So there may be a connection between widescreens on your iPhone 13 series and a certain app that you installed. So just make sure any apps undownloaded recently have been uninstalled and then continue using your phone. So it will be easier for you to solve the problem if the widescreens cease to occur. Then lastly, what you can do is you can try and hard reset your iPhone. So if you encounter a white screen of death on your iPhone 13, 13 Pro, and 13 Pro Max and it is unresponsive, you can restart the device to correct the problem, and in most cases, restarting your iPhone can resolve subtle system error. Despite black screens, some iPhone users report that their phones still function. So if, for example, you hear notifications and calls, but the screen does not come on, you may be able to hear them. So a reboot will usually solve both of these issues if your iPhone has frozen or crashed. So the best thing that you can do is hold down your phone's side and any of the volume buttons for a few seconds, and it does not take long. So just try this if you're having problems with your iPhone. And that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.